So I'm going to show you a rough overview of my game design level. So first, I have two AI NPCs, the AI Knight and the AI Kraken. So if I go into the AI NPC, you will see that one of the first things I have is a custom event that controls the AI move to. This is then called in the behavior tree. I then have the custom event that allows him to evade by rolling. And this, a quick overview of how this works. He selects a random degree and then sets his rotation to that degree. He then plays the montage by going through a timeline of him rolling, which is then uses this set velocity right here to actually make him move, and then it uses the Kraken's location with the set rotation node to set his rotation back so that when he runs back to the Kraken, he is facing the correct direction. It also has the custom event for blocking, which then sets a Boolean true or false, which is linked to whether or not he takes damage. And it also allows him to stop his movement, play the blocking animation, delay 3 seconds to make sure the animation finishes, stopping the animation, then setting him back to walking. The other thing that's tucked away in the AI NPC is the blueprints that basically controls which task runs the behavior tree. So over here, you'll see that using the event dispatcher, which will be shown in a second in the Kraken, when the Kraken attacks, it randomizes a number here from 1 to 3, and then sets that to the blackboard key action sequence, and then it sets that, and that will control what happens in the behavior tree, which you have 4. And so if it is 0, which it will set to 0 after it, those blueprints will set to 0 after, it will then run back to the Kraken. If it's 1, it will block. If it's 2, it will hit, or it will get hit. And if it's 3, then it will roll. So basically the get hit currently is set so that it has the health function in it, and then if that health function reaches a low enough number, then it will play a death animation and destroy the actor so that it will die. The block is designed so that it will call the blocking, it will delay 3 seconds, and then it will set the action sequence back down to 0, and then it will finish the execute. And the evasion is set similarly, where it will cast to the AI NPC, run the custom event evasion from the AI NPC, delay 1 second, and then finish the execute. And the last thing is in the AI Kraken. The AI Kraken designed with an event dispatcher here, so whenever this custom event is called, which is done up here, it will disable the movement of the Kraken. It will then cycle the attack animations through an array, so they're randomized. It will then play the montage, which is the Kraken attacking. It will delay. It will then set the movement mode back to walking, and then it will also, if it for some reason is interrupted, it will then play a sound to alert me that something is going off and is wrong. And up here, the Kraken move event is getting all the extra class, casting to the AI NPC. It is then saying the AI move so that the Kraken moves towards the actor, so they move towards each other and will always find each other. It is then triggering that Kraken attack, which is below, and then delaying 3 seconds. So that is a rough overview of my project. And if I press play now, I can show you that the AI NPC runs towards, he cycles, so he chose to block there, shows the block again, shows the block again, shows the block again. Wow, he really likes blocking. There he goes. Now he gets hit. You'll see the health in the left will go down to 9. He'll choose to block. He chooses the roll, and he'll run back. He'll choose the roll, and then he'll run back. Then he'll block, and if he gets hit one more time, he'll take damage, and then he will die and despawn. So he's surviving quite well right now. But there is a 1/3 chance that he does get hit. He's just choosing all the other options right now. And if he'll get hit one more time, he is really surviving. Wow. Todd, feel free to fast forward through this. There he goes. And he dies, and he will despawn. The other thing I will mention is that if I choose to have multiple of these AI, I have made it where they will they have disabled collisions so they don't get hung up on each other, and they will actually act independently. So as you can see, they both block there, but they both are randomized, so they both will perform different actions. So that guy got hit, and one guy got hit, and one guy sat there and took it. And so they will do things independently of each other. But see, they both died at the same time there. And that is my rough overview, and I hope you enjoyed it.